Hey guys, it's Singer. Oh, I finished the basement area type thing. I don't know. But I did a lot. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice. There we go. I liked how it turned out. I think it was very, very beautiful. So I think the parents are gonna come down here all the time because, girl. So yeah, I liked how everything turned out so far. And I will show you guys in the next video what my first Sims looked like. I'm kind of scared, but oh my gosh, but my first Sims. I think I did pretty well on my first time playing The Sims 4. Yeah. I don't know if you guys want this to be like an episode or like, I don't know, like if you want me to play this family on my channel. I don't know. So let me know if you want me to, or I'm just gonna play this family all by myself and let's see how they grow up. But yeah, that's all I have to say. I really like the driveways. It's cute. I think how the basement turned out and everything turned out was pretty awesome. I like everything so far. So if you're new, subscribe and leave a like. And yeah, bye!